It's time for the Summer Kitchen Vignette Challenge. Stay tuned for the details. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home, health, and beauty decisions so there's less gas in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today, I just want some new decor for my kitchen. I want something else to go on this counter space. I just feel like it needs something. So I want to create a vignette to sit right here, but I want it to be such that when I need to use that space for prep, I can just pick it up and set it aside. So I am issuing an open invitation for a kitchen vignette challenge, and here are the 3 simple rules. 1, it must include a tray. That way the tray can be lifted and moved easily from spot to spot. 2, it must include some kind of a floral arrangement. It could be faux flowers or live flowers. It can be greenery, whatever, with some kind of a floral, and must also include a book. Yep, a book. I love cookbooks, and I used to have a collection of cookbooks on the end of my cabinet, and then I decided to do a room refresh and I moved on, and then I did another room refresh and I did something else, and another room refresh. Well, you know how it goes. I am missing my cookbooks on the counter, so I thought, why don't I come up with something that I can do, that I can put a cookbook in the vignette, but still I can move it when I need to. And then that way, when I have to make something and I want to look up a recipe, I don't have to go and dig the cookbook out of the closet, because I've got them all in the pantry right now. At least the ones that I use most often, I have in the pantry over there. But I would just love to have a cookbook out on the counter again. So my challenge to you, this open invitation, is for a kitchen vignette for summer. Something that's portable, because you're going to need that space at some point in time. Or I don't know, you may not. You may decide you want to put yours up against the wall. But whatever it is, you just need to have a tray, a floral, and a book. And that book can be an electronic book, and it can be a magazine, whatever you decide. But it ought to be something that you might normally have in the kitchen. Okay, so now, I was trying to think when would be a good day to upload the videos, and I thought it might take people 2 weeks to come up with a good kitchen vignette, and then a day or so to upload the video. So why don't we upload the videos on Tuesday, July 24th. I'll create a playlist and it'll be available by 7 a.m. So I'll create the playlist, and I can even put the playlist up the night before so you can populate your videos, but let's not deploy the videos to go live until 7 a.m. Eastern time. That way all the videos go live at the same time, and everyone can appreciate what the other creators have done. And then also, when you create your video, please mention This and That with Denise Jordan in your video, and encourage your subscribers or your viewers to kind of come on over and check me out over here. And I will also encourage my viewers to check out all of the members in the playlist and see what they've done. If you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about managing a household, then I encourage you to subscribe, because I do organizing and cleaning and cooking and some planning, and right now I'm doing a whole lot of gardening because of course it's summer and it's gardening time. But if you want to learn how to do those things, then subscribe, because I do videos about those things all the time. But definitely check out the show notes and the links in the description box below, because I will put information there about my favorite gardening and cleaning solutions. Some of the links are affiliate links, but they just help to support the channel. So thank you very much if you choose to click on them. Now, just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about cooking, cleaning, gardening, planning, and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. And I'm going to try to figure out what I can put right here. I'll see you in the next video.